GUGGUL extract. In its extracted form, GUGGUL is a type of resin or oil that comes largely from the Comphoria mucul tree. This tree is a thorny, shrub-like plant indigenous to India, where the very versatile tree gum is harvested for a variety of medical uses. The tree that yields GUGGUL extract is a close relative to the myrrh, also known in the East for its healing properties. Taken internally, GUGGUL is used as a holistic treatment for lowering cholesterol levels. This is because GUGGUL is rich in compounds called guggulsterones from the ketone group of steroids, which have been shown to be effective in this respect. Guggulsterones are also believed to lower triglyceride levels in people as well as affect how the thyroid works. Where to buy? GUGGUL extract is usually available online or in most grocery stores along with other spices. How to take? A standard dose of GUGGUL plant extract is 400 to 500 milligrams taken thrice daily with meals totaling 1,200 to 1,500 milligrams daily. Although doses up to 2,000 milligrams have been used before. If using the guggulsterones in isolation, a dose of 25 milligrams taken thrice a day with meals is used. GUGGUL extract weight loss recipe. Ingredients: a half a teaspoon triphala powder, half a cup of water, quarter teaspoon of GUGGUL extract. How to prepare? In half a cup of water, dissolve GUGGUL and triphala. Let it get soaked overnight. In the morning, strain and drink the water. Benefits: although promoting weight loss is one of the potential uses for GUGGUL, the herbal remedy is more commonly used to treat high cholesterol. GUGGUL may also help to treat diabetes and acne. You could take GUGGUL to lower your triglycerides, treat osteoarthritis, or prevent atherosclerosis. GUGGUL may possibly help in treating hemorrhoids, urinary tract conditions, rheumatoid arthritis, and other types of arthritic conditions. Precaution: while taking GUGGUL extract, you could experience side effects such as loose stools, nausea, and headaches, according to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. GUGGUL may also cause skin rash, stomach pain, and anoxaria. Don't take GUGGUL extract if you have chronic diarrhea, ulcerative colitis, or Crohn's disease, or liver diseases. GUGGUL could also interact negatively with certain medications, such as thyroid supplements or drugs, and blood thinners such as aspirin or Coumadin. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure GUGGUL extract is safe for you.